Hello everyone, in today's video we introduced a new Ulefone Armor 15, the first smartphone in the world that comes with a built-in TWS earbuds. The new model of rugged phone from Ulefone has decent features, specifications and also a unique design. See the review. The Ulefone Armor 15 is placed in a traditional Armor series box with the signature yellow color and a print of metal elements that represent toughness. So what's in the box? Let's have a look. As you can see, it is our Armor 15. There we also have Ulefone excellent 80 watts fast charger. Under the charger there is a very good tool for ejecting the SIM card. Ulefone also provides us with a very good quality strap for easier carrying a phone. Well, then we have this nice red USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. If we raise our Armor 15 a little, we still find an additional screen protector under it, which is actually a tempered glass, even though Ulefone has already installed a screen protector and it's already on the mobile phone out of the box. Below we also find the paperwork for instructions for use, phone charging booklet, warranty card and user manual. Also have multi-purpose instructions. Everything is very detailed and beautiful colored. It's really very nice to understand, and I can say this Armor 15 retail pack contains more than any other manufacturer offers, and it's all first class made and premium. Very nice from Ulefone. It will spoil customers, which is not a bad thing. Well, that was the content of this package, but that's not all. Along with our phone, we also have this Ulefone Armor 15 multifunctional case, of course compatible with Armor 15, with anti-shock absorbent TPU corners and a rigid plastic body. The protective case provides additional protection from drops, scratches and shocks. Precise cutouts enable easy access to all buttons on the phone, ports and camera, and perfectly match with the Armor 15. Comes with the 180 degrees rotatable back clip to bring the comfortable viewing angle, can be clipped to the belt for portability, or you can add a secure carabiner attached for ease of access and various application occasions. This multifunctional case is sold separately from the mobile phone, and I would definitely recommend it to those of you who live in the high altitudes and on the demanding terrains in order to keep your smartphone as long as possible. Okay, that will be it. Now it's time to switch to our smartphone. I have to say that I really like the design. It is youthful, unusual and remind me of the sports car. The materials from which the smartphone is built of is really top notch. This is the metal frame, metal side rail, metal back plate from behind. Here are some carbon fiber materials, and overall this is a very cool sports racing design, and yes, I really like it because it's truly unique in the market, both in appearance and functions. There are other different color options available. There are two other colors, one is black and other is red. All these colors actually look really good, so whatever color you choose you can't go wrong. Especially the blue looks quite vibrant, and yes, this Ulefone also offers colorated wallpapers and themes, so it's really cool. I chose this blue because the back design is blue. Ulefone tried to make an even symmetrical design on the back panel and the front. Comes with the symmetrical settings of dual stereo speakers. Seems that the design everything precisely in the smallest details. This is definitely a very cool rugged smartphone. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with a set of built-in TWS earbuds. They are under the rubber waterproof cups. There is on the right side we have two pleasant round buttons for adjusting volume, and below them it's a power button which is also a fingerprint scanner. And below we have something that we really like, a special button for triggering the camera. On the opposite side there is a SIM 3 card slot that provides two slots for place both two SIM cards and spares a micro SD card to expand another 256GB storage. You don't need to struggle between one SIM card slot and a larger storage, which is great. Below we can see this now standard Ulefone button, which can be used as a shortcut for any function in the mobile phone. From the front we have a HD plus 16Hz refresh rate screen. It is a 5.45 inch 720 pixel LCD panel, above which is a 60 megapixel selfie camera with face unlock function. As usual, all standard and necessary features, there is night light and dark mode, color, screen temperature. Every option is available in display settings. Solid performance, good response with the 10 multi-touch, also well visible outside in the daylight and strong sunlight, whatever you are watching YouTube videos or typing on social media. Below and above we can see stereo speakers, which can be very loud, and even 100 decibels of loudness, max 1.7 watt power. The Armor 15 offers top stereo auditory effects. Besides, it supports handset-free FM radio, making it more convenient for you to listen to live broadcasting FM radio station. Kudos to Ulefone for adding top-class stereo speakers to a rugged middle-aged smartphone. Just play music and listen. No other smartphone on the market offers this function. Since the smartphone comes with the Helio G35 processor, which combines octa-core CPU and 2.3 GHz frequency, it has a great performance to make the download and upload instantly, along with the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It provides special space for downloaded apps, video, images or music. Many people may ask if we can play games. Yes, we can definitely play games this smartphone without any issues, and I have never seen even a hit of lag. Armor 15 offers a very smooth gaming experience, but if you ask me, this is not a gaming phone. You want to play games, then you go it elsewhere, but playing graphically undemanding games on this one smartphone will give you a joyful experience. Okay, so we talk about looks, build quality, speakers, gaming. Now it's time to check the cameras. In the camera department we were very pleasantly surprised. So on the back we have a double camera and LED flash. The main sensor is a Sony's IMX363 sensor of 12 megapixels and Samsung sensor of the 30 megapixel wide-angle camera. I tried to take some photos and videos with this smartphone and I'm super satisfied. The phone comes with this stock Android 12 OS, the camera app is almost Gcam, although here we also have the underwater camera function, with which this phone is able to shoot scenery and portrait clearly under the water just by one key. The camera performance on this smartphone is above and beyond my expectations. How it looks, you can see it now. Okay, now it's time to talk about TWS earbuds. So two earbuds are included inside the body of the Armor 15. So with this smartphone you will never forget your earbuds at home or you will forget to charge them. They can now go everywhere with you. They will charge in your phone and be available anytime and everywhere. Ulefone did the thing and he did perfection. These TWS earbuds are very comfortable, light as a feather and very soft. The sound they offer is really calming experience. It is really something so very different. These earbuds offer a very pleasant bass, not too strong, and treble, even mid-tones are reproduced perfectly. These earbuds set the always full charge because this smartphone comes with a large battery, as much as 6600 mAh battery, which means the headphones inside the Ulefone Armor 15 can offer as much as 505 hours of battery life and up to 5 hours on a single charge. So the instant you take out the earbuds, it is connected to your device. There is a pop-up for the first connection, while the notification bar displays information for the follow-up pairing. And your earbuds won't be lost thanks to the built-in phone design. This phone runs on the new stock Android 12 OS, which brings a better user interface, privacy dashboard and some interesting customization items with UI that has better gesture navigation controls, dark theme, and contains most of the features that come with the system, the most important of which is the presence of all Google services, making this smartphone experience smoother and more personalized. Armor 15 also has NFC, so you can make mobile payments and support Google Pay. Another positive feature of this hardware equation is a large 6600 mAh battery that can last up to 3 days without problems. Recharging is also rapid, as the USB Type-C port supports 18 watts fast charging. The performance will be good, and this is the most because of the equipped with the stock Android 12 and does not have many pre-installed programs. Even the interface is simple without any complications or process in the background. As it's a robust smartphone, it is resistant to water and dust in the accordance with IP68, IP69K and LMI STD 810G standards. This phone is rated for IP68 and has a maximum depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes in the water. As with most rugged design quoting MIL STD 810G certifications, the Armor 15 is designed to handle accidents and clumsiness to a much greater degree than ordinary mobile devices, and it's unlikely to you will destroy it so easily. So let's remind ourselves once more what the main features of this Ulefone Armor 15 smartphone are. Built-in TWS earbuds, front-facing loud dual stereo speakers, hands-free FM radio. It's rare on a rugged phone, as the Ulefone is very proud of this function. 6GB of 120GB storage, Helio G35 chipset, 6600 mAh battery, 5.45-inch screen, 12MP, 30MP dual rear camera with 60MP front camera, stock Android 12 OS, fingerprint ID, NFC, camera key plus customized key, GPS, GLONASS, Baloo, Galileo, digital compass and beyond, IP68, IP69K, MIL STD 810G proof. And its unique appearance, it looks like a sports car by overlooking at its back, symmetrical design, thickened corners, more solid, and it comes in these nice blue, red and black color variants. So the official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them and get your new Ulefone Armor 15 today at a lower price with a $20 coupon code, which is below in description with buying links. What more can I say? Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and see you soon with some new video. Bye.